Got a variety of pack of cars that I done detailed at the lot. Got the Impala, Scat Pack, Chevy Equinox. I need y'all to do me a damn favor though, for real, man. I'm trying to get my name out there, man. Hit that subscribe button for me. Fuck with me. Y'all don't like that, that ain't enough. There go mines though. This is the 5.0. Upgrades coming soon. Long tube headers, exhaust, Whipple supercharged. Changing the wheels and tires on it. Detailed by me at Splendor Motorsports. Hit that subscribe button, man. Fuck with me.